WM Hamilton Sons has been established for over 120 years. And today, our owner-managed business prides itself on its flexibility to deliver to the customer best value by way of quality of service and market innovation. Our investment in our staff, reliability and high standard of service have been instrumental in our growth, making us the largest road sweeper hire company in Scotland. We are preferred supplier for most national house builders and our principal supplier to numerous local authorities throughout Scotland. Our strategy is to work in partnership with our customers, delivering the best possible solutions both in the public and private sectors throughout Scotland. We are constantly looking at the construction and municipal sectors with a view to how we can bring forward innovation to improve service to our customer. Over the years, we have made significant investment in many areas of our road sweeping activities. However, over the past 2 years, we've been developing our road sweeper into something the market hasn't seen before. We call this multifaceted machine the Hydro Sweep. We think that this machine transforms several site-based activities, allowing safe working practices where currently dangers present themselves, giving more comprehensive water management solutions, while still combining these with our traditional role of cleaning the site. So, how do we do this? The Hydro Sweep comes with several innovations, which allow it to carry out the following tasks efficiently within one compact vehicle. It can carry out road sweeping to the standard we currently offer. It can suction excavate around surfaces without causing damage. And it's highly effective at cleaning out gully pots. So, it's a unique multifaceted machine which addresses a shortcoming in providing safe excavation around underground assets, whilst offering a variety of other services from the same machine. Why do you need it? For decades, traditional forms of excavation to dig around or expose utilities was achieved by hydraulic excavators and hand tools. One of the biggest health and safety dangers when working below ground is making a utility or service strike. Despite method statements and technology such as CAT scanning or consulting the utility asset registers, operator accidents and underground utility damage remain too commonplace, especially in crowded or urban development areas. And with a notable increase in other assets being added to the infrastructure, such as fibre optic networks, high-speed internet, district heating, etc., the rate of excavation is increasing. Did you know that the UK excavates around 4 million holes each year? That's one every 7 seconds. And it's estimated that there are currently 60,000 strikes per year. In 2019, only 5% of underground excavation was considered as planned work, in comparison with almost 60% of underground excavations being treated as emergency work in the same year. This implies that those responsible for doing the digging either continue without a full understanding of what is below them or risk delaying a project significantly, which is often not a possibility. Research has found that there is a historical correlation between the severity of a strike and the nature of the work being carried out. Emergency jobs that suffer a strike are twice as likely to be of medium to high severity when compared to those on planned work. This exposes workers to risks, including electrocution, explosion, and even death. As well as being dangerous, the issue is costly and disruptive. Huge sums can be spent rectifying the damage, while at the very least, lead to delay and service impact on customers. It is estimated that accidental strikes cause around £2.4 billion worth of economic cost per annum. How can this be avoided? The safest approach to underground excavation is to hydrovac, the task of using high-pressure water to cut and liquefy the soil, while simultaneously using high-volume vacuum to remove the soil from excavation. The excavated dirt is stored in the waste hopper and can be transported to a licensed disposal point. However, if a suitable granular fill material has been used, this material can be returned to the excavation. The advantage, above all else, is safety, and our Hydro Sweep uses a rotary nozzle to excavate around and under existing utilities, such as gas mains, power lines and water mains, without risking any damage to the infrastructure or any harm to workers on the site. The Hydro Sweep provides higher excavation precision and less rotation, so it's less intrusive from an environmental point of view. And compared to manual digging, much less manpower is needed, so it is more cost-effective against traditional practices. The Hydro Sweep is smaller than standard air vacs, so it can be more readily navigated and operated on site. With the Hydro Sweep, digging is tailored to each excavation's specific requirements, so there's no need for unnecessary or superfluous digging, and surfaces are completely exposed, fully cleaned and ready to work on. With the Hydro Sweep, there's no spoil heap left at the end of excavation, and with the Hydro Sweep sweeping mechanism, the site is left clean and tidy at conclusion of the job, with no need for additional grab vehicles or lorries. Our two SEPA licensed disposal points can readily accept sweeper arising, excavations and gully waste. And we also have a network of registered disposal points available throughout central Scotland to maintain productivity. Uniquely, our Hydro Sweep also offers additional facilities from the same machine, such as road sweeping, surface pressure washing and gully cleaning. Gully cleaning and surface water management has been a long neglected service. Lack of maintenance allows detritus to accumulate and cause obstructions over time. And on new build developments, contamination of heavy items such as tar or concrete during the initial build stages presents similar issues more rapidly. And the resulting risk of flooding or standing water presents a serious issue to the public, residents and road users. But the Hydro Sweep's high-volume vacuum and powerful water pressure makes efficient advancement through all gully cleaning works. And to complement our gully cleaning service, we can water jet drain areas around the gully pot where blockages may extend to. All this makes our Hydro Sweep more cost-effective than standard vacuum excavators and reduces the need for additional machinery, which further reduces costs and lessens the carbon footprint. We appreciate the need for businesses to achieve cost savings wherever possible, and our Hydro Sweep is competitive to the market, considering the many services, efficiencies and advantages it offers. But when you consider the financial cost of a service strike, the stand-down costs, investigation costs, repair costs, HSE fines and reputational damage, our unique Hydro Sweep should be your first consideration. The true saving may indeed be someone's life.